Hi everyone, so in today's video, I want to share my current skincare routine. Now this is an amazing skincare routine if you are a beginner or teenager or if you have sensitive skin. The products that I will be using in today's video are beginner friendly and sensitive skin friendly. I did change my skincare routine. I have simplified my skincare routine a lot. Recently I started getting like really small bumps over here and my moisture barrier around the lips is also a little bit damaged. So I thought of switching to more gentle products. This is a very easy, non-complicated 5-step summer skincare routine. It's very important to choose the right products and the right ingredients for your skin type, especially when you're starting your skincare journey or if you have sensitive skin. You need to be careful about what you're applying on your skin, just like we're careful about what we eat. Now, I will say that skincare is super duper subjective. Different skin types and different skin concerns require different ingredients. But as a beginner, I feel that you should know your skin type and your skin concerns. Even if you don't know your skin concerns, you should definitely know your skin type to pick the right product. So for today's video, I want to share a skincare routine that will work on most of the skin types. But again, I want to say that you should perform a patch test before trying any new product on your skin. The products that I will be sharing in today's video are gentle on the skin and they are good for sensitive skin. My skin doesn't require a lot of actives right now. In fact, it got irritated because I used too many actives on my skin at the same time. So I decided that I will simplify my daytime skincare routine. Now, as a beginner or if you're someone who has sensitive skin, you want to choose products that are fragrance-free, color-free and alcohol-free. Now, you will find a lot of videos on this topic on the internet, whether these ingredients should be added to your skincare products or not. That is whether fragrance, color or alcohol should be added to your skincare products or not. Here's what I think. I have a very normal skin type, so I don't mind fragrance or color in my skincare products, but I do like to stay away from alcohol. Now, that too depends on the formulation, how alcohol is used in a certain product. Now, let's get to fragrance and color. These are not going to benefit your skin in any way. These are just added to your skincare products for your senses. Fragrance makes a product smell good and color makes a product look good. Now, if you have sensitive skin, dry skin, or if you have any skin condition, fragrance and color can be potential irritants. I'm not saying that these are definitely going to irritate your skin, but these can potentially irritate your skin, especially if you have sensitive skin. Also, these do not benefit your skin in any way, so you might want to avoid these ingredients like fragrance and color if you have sensitive skin or if you have any skin condition. Now, a brand that I truly trust is Simple. I love their formulas. They have no added color or fragrance. They also have no harsh chemicals in their formulation. Now, all of these terms, that is no fragrance, no color, no harsh chemicals, do sound like marketing gimmicks, but that's not the case with Simple. I have trusted this brand when my skin was at its worst. I love their refreshing facial wash and their hydrating light moisturizer. And trust me, these did not irritate my skin at all. Their products are specially curated for sensitive skin and these are not only amazing for daily use, you can also use these when your skin is a little bit irritated. I have used the refreshing facial wash and the hydrating light moisturizer when my skin used to look like this. And these didn't irritate my skin at all. In my opinion, these products gave my skin some time to heal and get back to normal. So I really like this brand and that's why it's one of my favorite skincare brands. Now let's get to the routine. First of all, face wash. Now I love the Simple refreshing facial wash as well as the moisturizing facial wash. I have used the refreshing facial wash for years. This is a product that I can use all around the year, whereas the moisturizing facial wash is a product that I like using during winters. Now when it comes to face wash, your skin should not feel squeaky clean or super dry after washing off the face wash. Obviously, it should feel clean but not super duper dry. You want to use a face wash that is gentle on your skin, especially if you have sensitive skin. The Simple face wash is 100% soap free, so it's not going to strip moisture off of your skin. It's going to clean very gently. Next, I have a toner. This is totally optional. I am using a hydrating toner over here. This toner is repairing, hydrating and mild. This is the Cicaronic Toning Essence from S&P Prep. This is a Korean brand. Now after toner, I like using a serum. For serum, I have the Simple Booster Serum. This is the 10% hemp seed oil plus B3. This serum is for strong skin barrier. This has 5% vitamin F plus B3. This protects against collagen degradation and reduces inflammation. This is also 98% naturally derived, and as I said, this gets absorbed into the skin really well. And it also gives a beautiful glow to my skin. Now the 10% hemp seed oil is the serum that I'm using right now. Other than this, I've also tried Simple's 10% vitamin C booster serum. I did exhaust that one. I really like the consistency of their serums. They spread and absorb really well into the skin. They're non-sticky, they don't feel too oily on the skin. Now let's get to moisturizer. You guys know I love this moisturizer, the Simple Hydrating Light Moisturizer. This is one of my favorite moisturizers. It's so lightweight, it's amazing for summers. It's also non-comedogenic, so it's not gonna clog pores. And it's also one of my favorite moisturizers to wear under makeup. It spreads really easily on your skin, it's absorbed into your skin really well. Again, it has no fragrance and no added color, and all the Simple products are also cruelty-free. This again is a product that helps replenish and strengthen the skin barrier. This has niacinamide, pro-vitamin B5 and vitamin E, and pro-amino acids. And ultimately for my daytime skincare routine, I like using a sunscreen. This one is from Dot & Key. This is their watermelon cooling sunscreen. This has SPF 50. PA+++. I love this sunscreen because this has got no white cast. It's also super duper lightweight and it blends really easily. Plus there is no pilling with this sunscreen. So I like using this as the last step in my daytime skincare routine. So that was a non-complicated skincare routine that you can follow if you are a beginner. You can start with a cleanse, moisturize and protect routine. That is, you can use a cleanser, a moisturizer and a sunscreen. And later when you figure out your skin concerns, you can add an active ingredient which can be a treatment step in your skincare routine. You can add this as a serum after cleanser. For me, it was the Simple 10% hemp seed oil plus B3 booster serum. I really hope that you find this video helpful. If you have any queries related to the video, do not forget to mention them in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.